are fictitious. Any resemblance to person, living or dead is purely coincident. Please put your hands together for Wipro's performing arts group Indradhanush, presenting a satirical take on the current political scenario, where we tend to give importance to non-important things. So here it is, the Great Indian Circus. Thank you.
I think we can go live now. A very good evening to you all. I am Tarnav Goswami and you are watching Faking Now. In the main line today, we have a terrorist attack on a western country, a terrorist based in an oil-rich country, Wadia. To discuss the issue we have with us, our representative from the western country, Miss Hillary Clinton.
Well, they have attacked us. And we are here to negotiate and establish peace with them. They've started the war, and we will take the revenge. This is an all-out war against terror.
We also have a representative from Wadia, General Aladdin. Let us see what he has to say about this attack. General Aladdin, everybody has to respond on my show. Please respond.
General Aladdin, this country is nice.
General Aladdin, Miss Gilhari has few questions for you. Please answer.
Look, sir, we're gonna come to your country and attack you.
Okay, welcome to Wadia.
I don't think you understood that. Sir, we're gonna come to your country, take your oil and attack you.
This goat is nice.
Sir, we're gonna come to your country, take your oil and kill you.
No, you no kill me. I kill me. I hate America. I kill you. I kill you. I hate America. I kill you. You take no oil from me. I hate you.
As you all can see, yet another speaker runs away from turnoff. In another headlines today, the government passed the Women's Safety Act, called as the Bhaiya Bill. To discuss more about the act, we have someone who never responds to anything. The Human Resources Manager. The Human Resources Minister, Mrs. Smriti Irani herself.
नमस्ते टर्नऑफ जी.
Mrs. Irani,
हाँ?
Turnoff wants to know,
चिल्लाइए मत अब.
what is this law and how does it act?
After a very long discussion with our beloved Pyare Nirasha Ram Bapuji over the discussion of Bhaiya Bill, we have made certain changes and it's been working very magical. अगर आप मेरे बात को बिना edit किए अगर प्रसार करें, तो I'll be telling you two laws which have been passed for women's safety. The first one is the Bhaiya Bill, which you were shouting just now. So Bhaiya Bill में क्या होता है? A girl will call any random molester or rapist as a bhaiya. And once she calls him a bhaiya, the person doesn't rape. You know why? Because his samskars won't allow him to do it. Ab aap chillayenge zarur again, once again, saying that the nation wants to know, the nation wants to know. We have a live CCTV footage for that from Niruttar Pradesh.
Please put it.
छोड़ देंगे तो नृत्य प्रदेश की ग्लोरी का क्या होगा? And our CM says boys will be boys. And the period process men will be men.
Please don't do this to your sister, bhaiya.
क्या? 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 She called us bhaiya. Now we can't do anything. Oh God. Okay.
The second one is No Noodles Act. No Noodles Act. Studies have proven that eating noodles, chow mein, excites men to create more crimes on women. So, from 1st of next month, sale of any chow mein noodles, your favorite Arnab, your favorite Maggi, Horlicks Atta noodles, everything will be banned and...
Hold on.
क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं आप?
Hold on. This is my show. Hello, Mummy. They are saying that they will ban Maggie. What will I eat now?
अले बेटा मत रो बेटा. I have talked to Gupta ji. He will charge 2 rupees extra for Maggie, but it will be available.
Thank you, Mummy.
Corrupt. Turn off.
Cameraman, give me one-on-one with her. Mrs. Virani, I dare you. I double dare you.
क्या
You
हुआ?
never ever
Turn off! बस बहुत हो गया. तुम्हारा चैनल है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम चिल्ला रहे. चलाओ चैनल अपना.
I don't want to talk to her. This is my show. I am cutting with you. As you all can see, yet another speaker runs away from turn-off. Wait a minute. We have a breaking news. Our correspondent Ms. Bakarika Ghosh from Ground Zero reports that Ms. Deepika Padukone has ordered a pizza half an hour ago. It is 30 minutes and still not delivered. Ms. Bakarika, can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Turnoff, I can hear you.
Ms. Bakarika, can you tell us more about the situation?
Well, Mr. Turnoff, the situation is out of control. It has been reported that Miss Deepika Padukone has ordered pizza almost half an hour ago and it hasn't reached her home yet. Now the big question is, where did the pizza go? Back to you, Mr. Turnoff.
Thank you, Bakarika. So, do you have any leaders with you?
Yes, Mr. Turnoff, we have with us from Khas Admi Party, Mr. Harvind Karobawal. Mr. Karobawal. What do you think of this pizza scam?
देखिए जी बकारिका जी, हम कौन है? हम इस देश की दबी कुचली थकेरे आम जनता है जी. मैं देश का खास आदमी हूँ, पर पिज्जा आज से नहीं, बहुत पहले से लेट हो रहा है जी. अब ऑर्डर करो तो 2 घंटे में आता है और कहते हैं 30 मिनट्स नहीं तो फ्री. बाकी 1.5 घंटे कहाँ गए जी? नहीं, जनता भूखी सो रही है, जवाब मांग रही है, लेकिन ये कोई सब जानते हुए भी जवाब देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है जी. ये स्कैम है. हमने इस डिले का ऑडिट मांगा है जी, आ जाना चाहिए. और ये रमेश और सुरेश लंबानी, इन्होंने देश के सारे पिज्जा चुरा लिए और पूरे देश को पिज्जा ये खिलाना चाहते हैं जी, लेकिन नहीं. और ये सब लोग भी मिले हुए जी, शायद स्नैक बॉक्स गायब कर देते बाहर. नहीं जी, हम होने नहीं देंगे. और इसलिए टू अपोज दिस वी आर हैविंग अ धरना एट सिविल बोर्ड. सब पे ध्वनि चलेगी जी.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Mr.
जनता धर्म कम खोल दिया जी हमने. क्या कंपनी से करा दीजिए. थैंक यू जी.
Enough. Yes, thank you. We have with us now Mr. Krodhi himself from Abki Bar Krodhi Sarkar. Mr. Krodhi, what do you have to say about this lawlessness? Don't you think that the women of this country have suffered enough that even the pizza doesn't come on time?
मित्रों, ना तो मुझे बुलाया गया है और ना मैं खुद आया हूँ. मुझे तो गंगा मैया ने बुलाया है. मित्रों, in my state, the pizzas are never late because we have good roads and we have Amul cheese. All this lawlessness is because of the previous Shehzada government. Now that we are in the center, we will ensure कि हमारी बहू और बेटियों को पिज्जा टाइम पर मिले. पर उसके लिए हमें कुछ कड़े कदम उठाने पड़ेंगे और पिज्जा का दाम 14% बढ़ाना पड़ेगा.
What?
ये जो इस सास दमाद की सरकार में होता रहा है वो आगे नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अब अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं. तो मित्रों, पिज्जा खाइए सॉस के साथ में, कुछ दिन तो गुजारिए गुजरात में.
Well, that was a very promising response from Mr. Krodhi. We now have Mr. Pappu from the opposition. Mr. Pappu, what do you have to say about the pizza crisis?
For that you need to know who am I. Who Bapu is. I've seen my grandmother, my father dying for this country. My mother to make pizza. I make pizza, my mother makes pizza. I want the youth of this country to make pizza. I want pizza in every home.
But sir, we were talking about the pizza delay.
RTI and women empowerment. The women of this country are empowered, pizzas will never be late. Because they can find RTI to know where the pizzas are and why the pizza is not delivered on time. So RTI and women empowerment is what we believe can empower the youth of this country.
Can you please answer my question?
I'm getting late for my Chhota Bhim show. Why don't you ask all the questions to Manmohan uncle?
Okay, thank you sir, thank you. God bless low IQ youth.
Ashirwad.
We have the Sanskari, Pujari, Universal Pradhan Karne Wale, Bauji.
अरे बेटी, तुम्हारा कन्यादान तो मैंने ही किया था ना? सुखी रहो, सुखी रहो.
Bauji, what do you have to say about the pizza crisis?
अरे वो सब छोड़ो, ये बताओ तुम्हारी शादी हो गई है? नहीं? तो एक काम करना, अपनी शादी में अपना कन्यादान तुम मुझसे ही करवाना. आशीर्वाद दो, आशीर्वाद. बाटा हो या आटा, हर घर में तो मेरा ही आशीर्वाद है जाता. सुखी रहो.
Sir, we are talking about the pizza.
पिज्जा? अरे पगली, पिज्जा विज्जा छोड़ो, ये लो बाबूजी का प्रसाद. सुखी रहो, सुखी रहो. अच्छा बेटी, चलता हूँ. सनी लियोनी बिटिया का कन्यादान जो करना है.
Bauji की जय. Oh my God, opening
किसी को. If anyone is hungry, they should eat aloo paratha, idli, dosa, but lots of Italian food. Our country is pure paratha country, and if anybody wants to eat pizza, they can go to some pizza land. Hey, who wants pizza here? You. कोई pizza नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ किसी को. If anybody wants pizza, they can go to some other country. We will call all India strike to ban pizza. Pizza murdabad, pizza murdabad, paratha zindabad, pizza murdabad.
out of control. Mr. Danov, off to
Thank you,
you.
Monica.
Hey,
Thank you,
Anna.
Monica. But the big question still remains, and the nation still wants to know, where did the pizza go?
Nice speak. This
That was definitely a wonderful skit. I think they all deserve a huge round of applause.